How to install stone ledger on a wall. Here are the tools and materials you'll need to install stone ledger on a wall. Step 1. Prep. Cover the current floor with red rosin paper for protection. Install half-inch backer board over sheetrock. Sheetrock is not strong enough to hold stone ledger. Be sure to screw the backer board into the wall stud. Measure and dry lay the stone ledger before installing to be sure they fit the space. Use a damp sponge to clean off the backer board and ledger before installation and during installation to ensure that the mortar will adhere to the surface. Make a level chalk line on the wall where the first ledger will be placed. Using a horseshoe spacer at the bottom of the ledger will help ensure that they're level. Step 2. Mix the mortar. Before you begin, be sure to read all the technical data sheets and instructions on the packaging. Pour Ultraflex LFT in correct amounts with water into a bucket while slowly mixing. Use a ruby paddle set at a low RPM to mix the mortar to a peanut butter consistency. Let mixture stand for 5 minutes. If mortar becomes stiff, remix without adding any water. Step 3. Install. Back butter the stone ledger with a trowel using the notched side. If you are installing on a wall with no exposed corners, begin at the bottom of the wall and work from left to right. If you are installing on a wall with corners, begin with the first corner ledger and place at the bottom of the wall. After you place each stone on the wall, gently tap into place with a mallet. Then, level the stone using spacers if needed. Once the first corner ledger is in place, continue with the flat pieces until the first row is complete. Repeat this process, always beginning the new row with the corner ledger. No grout is needed for stone ledger. Let stone set for 24 hours. Step 4. Seal. Use Miracle Enhancing Sealer to seal the stone. Pour sealer into the applicator bottle and spray directly on the wall. Find a variety of options at your local Floor & Decor or at flooranddecor.com.